Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. I did not want to do different unboxings or different boxes in one video, so I just want to dedicate this video just to Ipsy. Guys, this is the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the ultimate. This is the one that costs $50, and so this is the one that I have. The other one is on its way, so I have not received the plus yet, but we're going to be doing an unboxing for the ultimate. And I was able to do this eye makeup look. Yes guys, this was not in my comfort zone. I barely play with green colors, so using a palette that I got from this box really threw me out there, and I really like how it came out. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I did this eye makeup look with the product that I received here. So but first let's talk about the bag. This is the bag. It's pretty big. I was blown away with last month. I did not like the picture, but once I received it, I feel like it's a little bigger than this one, and I really like that bag. And this is so cute. It says your magic. This is really cute. I like that. Look how cute this is too. So it has many great details, and it's black. I don't know how often you see black bags from Ipsy. So now let's go ahead inside and open the box. Inside, it's so bright and colorful. I love that it comes with a note, and then you are able to talk and know exactly what it's inside. This one retails for $50. If you guys are interested, right now there's giving more points, I believe, for somebody who joins, so I'm gonna leave my referral link below. If you guys are interested to sign up, you guys could sign up to the Glam bag that costs $12, to the plus that costs $25, or to the ultimate that costs $50. The first thing that I got is Dr. Brand the Brand Dermabrasion. This one retails for $58. This one I'm gonna give away. I already have one. I got this in BoxyCharm years ago. It is a pretty good product, guys. This is intense. Yeah, if you're not used to skincare products, especially for sensitive skin, it was a little intense, but there was no problem with it, at least even on my skin. And it's great for pore perfecting. Yeah, I'm glad that I got that. I know that's a pretty good product, but right now because of my routine I can't use it. Cannabis hydrating face mask. I remember this was in actually for a choice. I don't know if it was the face mask was a choice for BoxyCharm, actually for BoxyLux the other month. So this is interesting because this will make applying a mask super easy, and this one retails for $26. So then we have something interesting. This is an eye cream. It says Air Repair Skincare Super Hydrating Eye Cream. This one retails, this is the full size, and this one retails for $24.50. It has antioxidant like vitamin C. It has green tea extract. I think that is perfect for an eye cream. Cloudberry seed oil. Interesting, but never heard of them. The cloudberry seed oil is gonna fight inflammation, which means puffy under eyes will look way smoother after a few uses. Wow, I'm loving that. I want to try that. The Gensa CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. I have it like this because I got my box, and you can see it coming through from the box. So yeah, it was a little messy, and it's still a little messy. Just for $38. Look how cute this is. I'm loving the colors. This to replace the face wipes. I haven't used face wipes I don't know how many years, but just from that alone it does feel very, very oily, so it feels kind of heavy, but I don't know how is it gonna be once you apply it on your skin. It says this is a luxurious cleansing oil. I was impressed with all of the ingredients that it has. That's what's called Superfood, because it has 8 super oils, and of course the first one you see is a CBD oil, but then you see black sesame seed oil, black cumin seed oil. I've seen DIYs for that, actually for the hair. Chia seed oils, broccoli seed oil, carrot seed oil, grape seed, and flax seed oil. Then I received the Naked Cosmetics. This is a 4-piece pigment set. This is full size. It costs $39.99. I did open them, and it's a 4-piece loose pigments set, and it is loose, but I love how pigmented and shimmery they are. So I'm just going to open one, and right now I've been seeing that a lot. People are using a lot of loose pigments because it is more intense, because they don't have to be pressed in. So I'm excited to see how these are. Yeah, some people not gonna like that. It's a little messy, but look at that. Look how, and I just grabbed a little bit. This one costs $39.99 and this is from Naked Cosmetics. This was my choice, guys. This is the Huda Obsession palette. It's Emerald Obsession. So this one retails for $27. This was a choice product. I was surprised to see a Huda Beauty. I keep seeing they're gonna come to BoxyCharm. I'm glad that it was already on, it's been already on Ipsy and it was a choice product, so I like that I was able to choose this. And this is how I was able to create this eye makeup look just using this palette. I was impressed because I have other palettes, and once you pick the products, especially the matte shades, they're a little powdery. They're not as pressed in, yet they're very pigmented. But this one, I had no fallout, no problem with it, no powderiness. I was super blown and impressed because I have read the comments with this one that is the same as the other palettes that I have. I didn't get that at all. So I don't know what happened with this palette, but it was really, really good. I used most of the matte, I used all the matte shades. There's only 3 matte shades and everything else is shimmer. I really like the shimmers, and you're gonna see me creating this eye makeup look using this. And I just started with that one. It was very pigmented. It took me a long time for me to blend that in. I put this near the brow bone area. This was more like in the crease, and I have to continue packing that in. And the shimmers that I used that shimmer, I used that one, and I used this one. I believe I love this one. This one is in my inner corner. Wow, I love that color. So I'm impressed with this palette. I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna play with this palette. They're all green. I don't know what to do, but I really like how it came out, and I'm glad that I got this in this box. I got Glow Recipe. I love this brand. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. This is a toner, but I'm glad. Look how cute this is. I love this brand, guys. I have the mask, I have the mist, the moisturizer. I love it, especially for sensitive and oily skin, so I'm glad I got that. I also got Ultra Blush in Charm. This one retails for $29. Pretty pretty. Oh, that one retails for $29. Then we have a sample. This is like a highlighter. This is the Balm Cosmetics. We usually get these in the box, at least I do. This is called Willpower in Worth the Wait. This is a deluxe sample. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Next, I got this perfume. I love getting perfume, I really do. This is from Catherine Malandrino Romance de Provence, and this is the deluxe sample. I really like how it smells. It smells very soft, very light, very fresh. I feel like I smelled something similar to this before. Really like this. I like the packaging. Then I got this sample. This is from Pure Lease. This is a Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream SPF 30. I really love this brand. Then the last deluxe sample is the Seattle London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. This is a lip oil. You could actually apply this on your favorite lipstick because it's gonna give it a sheer lip color. Oh, that's pretty. So guys, this concludes my box. Look at this box. Look at all of the items I got here. So this is my box. Look how many things I got for $50. I really like my box. I love that I got a Huda Beauty palette, and I'm glad to see that there, and everything else really is some good products. So really, I like my box. So guys, I wanted to share with you my unboxing with the Ipsy bag. If you guys want to see my box that I just got from the base box from BoxyCharm, you guys go ahead and check out that video. I'm also talking about some new spoilers that are coming for November that are confirmed, and possibly one for BoxyLux for December already. So go ahead and check out that video. I'm going to leave that link around here so you guys don't miss out on that. So thank you guys for watching this video, for your support, and until the next video. Bye.